Next spring, Lackawanna College isn't just growing, it's transforming. From Scranton to Philadelphia, from health sciences to cybersecurity, from the field to the front lines. We've always been close to home. Now we're building the home. For more than a century, we've prepared students for the future and built futures for the communities we serve. More than 8,000 strong every year. This year, the headlines said it all. But they didn't see this coming. They thought the expansion was over. They were wrong. Next spring, Lackawanna College unleashes 3 brand new trade centers. Bethlehem, Chambersburg, Greensburg. Offering hands-on training in welding, carpentry, and electrical for the jobs that power Pennsylvania. This is the expansion no one saw coming. Not just more programs, more places, more people, more Pennsylvania. Lackawanna College. The future is hands-on.